Okay, so today I want to talk to you about my gas and carbon monoxide alarm, but not how to install the new one. I actually want to tell you why I bought a new one and how the old one failed and how you can actually see that the old one failed, and that's actually the rest of the video. So I have this CO2 alarm, which is actually I should have replaced it 2 years ago, but I have two of them. I've already taken the battery out and I ordered a new one, but you see now it reads end of life. So it tells you that you have to replace it, and it reads right here on the display, and then you have to get rid of it. And don't forget to take the battery out. If not, it's gonna beep in your garbage forever. So as you see, I just attach it to the power socket like this, like flush. But if you don't want to do that, you can just use the stand, as I said, and not just the stand, also the power cord. So these would be your two options. Actually three options, because you can also, if you use the wall mounts, just hang it to the wall if you want to. So you actually have quite some options with that. If you hang it against the wall, if you plan to hang it against the wall, you actually want to feed the cable out here. Yeah, I know, exciting, sorry. You can feed the cable out here. That has the benefit, the cable and the unit is super flush to the wall. So you either feed the cable out here. You can actually also do that if you use the stand. If you don't mind that the cable comes out here, or you can actually use that little hole here if you want to. Okay, is that too exciting for you? Yeah, okay. I've already taken the battery out. I actually want to know if we can still reuse the battery. I have a battery tester like this one, and we see the battery is still good, so I use it for the next one. Also, if you don't want to hang it against the wall directly like I did, or in the power socket, you can actually take the power cord out, which is pretty long, and then what you want to do, you want to use the little stand here. So you see you can pull out that little stand like so, and then you could actually just place it like so, your sensor. What I also recommend, what I always do, you see you can actually mark the replacement date. So they usually last 6 to 7 years. So mine actually lasted 2 years longer, or actually almost 3 years. Actually, it's 2025 May. So whenever I buy it, I actually mark the date when I should replace it. So I actually did not replace it in time, but I have two of them. If you use the cord extension, make sure that you loop it out here. So then it's pretty safe. And in case you want to hang it against a wall, you see here, you could actually also attach it to a wall. And yeah, that's how you can handle your CO2 alarm.